Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As the world becomes more connected, the possibilities for meeting new people and developing relationships have never been greater. However, with this increased connectivity comes a new set of challenges and complexities when it comes to matters of the heart. One of the most difficult situations that many people face is the end of a romantic relationship, especially when they are still in love with their ex. Despite the pain and heartbreak that can come with a breakup, many people still hold on to the hope of getting back together with their former partner. If you're one of those people, you may be wondering how to approach the situation without coming across as desperate or needy. Don't worry, we're here for you. Here are some practical steps you can take to work towards getting back with your ex, as well as tips for coping if your ex is not interested in reconciling. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited for this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship advice and tips on leveling up your dating life. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Reflect on the relationship and breakup. The first step in getting your ex-girlfriend back is to reflect on the relationship and the breakup. This introspection is crucial as it allows you to evaluate what went wrong, what you can change, and whether it's worth pursuing the relationship again. Take the time to analyze the reasons for the breakup. Were there any recurring patterns of conflict, communication breakdowns, or trust issues? Think about the role you played in these problems and be honest with yourself about your mistakes. It's essential to understand that change starts with self-awareness and a willingness to accept responsibility for your actions. Also, consider the positive aspects of the relationship. What attracted you to each other in the first place? What happy memories do you share? By recalling the good times, you can remind yourself of the reasons you fell in love and why it's worth trying to reconcile. Step 2. Give each other space. After a breakup, there's a need to give each other space. This time apart will enable both of you to process your emotions, reflect on the relationship, and gain a fresh perspective. It can be tempting to reach out to your ex-girlfriend immediately, but this can be counterproductive. Respect your ex-girlfriend's boundaries and avoid contacting her excessively during this period. It's important to give her the space she needs to process her feelings and decide what she wants. By giving her space, you demonstrate maturity and a willingness to respect her needs, which can be an attractive quality in a potential partner. Step 3. Reestablish communication. Once you've spent some time apart, it's time to reestablish communication. Reach out to your ex-girlfriend in a non-threatening way, such as through a text or a friendly email. Keep the conversation light and casual, focusing on topics you both enjoy to reduce any tension or awkwardness between you. When you're communicating with your ex, it's important to be a good listener and show a genuine interest in their life. Not only will this help you reconnect, but it will also signal that you genuinely care about their well-being. At first, it's best to avoid discussing the breakup or any relationship issues, as this can create tension and make it harder to move forward. Instead, focus on building a positive connection and let the conversation flow naturally. Take this opportunity to rebuild rapport and trust, creating a solid foundation for future conversations about your relationship. Step 4. Show genuine change and growth. As you communicate with your ex-girlfriend, show genuine change and growth. Actions speak louder than words, so let her see how you've changed for the better since the breakup. Demonstrate that you've worked on your shortcomings and are now a better partner. For example, if you previously struggled with anger or jealousy, show her you've sought therapy or taken up mindfulness practices to address these issues. If you were unreliable, make an effort to be punctual and dependable in your interactions with her. The key is to show that you are committed to self-improvement and have made significant strides in addressing your flaws. Step 5. Apologize and take responsibility. When the time is right, apologize and take responsibility for your part in the breakup. A sincere apology can go a long way in mending broken trust and fostering forgiveness. Be specific about what you are sorry for and acknowledge the pain your actions may have caused. Expressing genuine remorse and a commitment to avoiding similar mistakes in the future is crucial. It shows your ex that you are serious about making things right and rebuilding the relationship based on trust and understanding. When apologizing, avoid placing blame on your ex-girlfriend or making excuses for your actions. Instead, focus on acknowledging your faults and expressing empathy for the impact they had on her. You'll be able to create an open and honest dialogue, paving the way for healing and reconciliation. Step 6. Rebuild trust and emotional connection. To do this, you must be honest, transparent, and consistent in your actions. Show her that she can rely on you by being there for her when she needs you and by keeping your promises. Consistency in your behavior is key to rebuilding trust, as it demonstrates that you are committed to change and are genuinely working towards being a better partner. In addition, focus on rebuilding the emotional connection by engaging in deep conversations and sharing your thoughts, feelings, and experiences openly. Spending quality time together, such as going on dates or participating in shared hobbies, can also help strengthen your bond. Remember to be attentive and empathetic during these interactions, as this will create an environment where both of you feel safe to express your emotions and grow closer. Step 7. Take things slow and steady. It's of utmost importance to take things slow and steady as you work towards getting back together. Avoid rushing into a full-fledged relationship, as this can put undue pressure on both of you and potentially jeopardize your chances of success. Rather, focus on rebuilding your friendship and connection before diving back into a romantic relationship. Allow the relationship to evolve naturally without trying to force it. Be patient, as rebuilding trust and emotional intimacy takes time. Keep the lines of communication open and be prepared to discuss any concerns or issues that may arise. By fostering a healthy and open dialogue, you can work through challenges together and create a stronger, more resilient relationship. Step 8. Be patient. Remember that the journey of getting back together with your ex-girlfriend may not be smooth sailing. There will likely be ups and downs as you navigate through the process of healing and rebuilding your relationship. Be prepared to face setbacks and challenges, and remember that perseverance and commitment are key to overcoming these obstacles. Maintain a positive outlook and remind yourself of the reasons you want to reconcile. As you stay focused on your goals and work together as a team, you can overcome any challenges that may arise and ultimately create a happier, healthier relationship. Step 9. Establish healthy boundaries. As you work on rebuilding your relationship, it's essential to establish healthy boundaries to ensure that both of you feel respected and valued. Healthy boundaries involve setting clear limits and expectations for each other's behavior, as well as understanding and respecting each other's emotional and physical needs. Discuss your boundaries openly with your ex-girlfriend, and listen carefully to her concerns and expectations. Be willing to compromise and find a balance that works for both of you. Establishing clear boundaries can help prevent misunderstandings and conflicts in the future, fostering a more stable and harmonious relationship. Keep in mind that boundaries may need to be renegotiated as your relationship evolves, so maintain an ongoing dialogue and be open to revisiting these discussions as needed. Step 10. Celebrate small victories in progress. Finally, celebrate small victories in progress as you work towards getting back together. Recognize and acknowledge the positive changes you've both made and the milestones you've reached in rebuilding your relationship. Celebrating these achievements, no matter how small, can help reinforce your commitment to each other and provide motivation to continue working on your relationship. Take the time to express gratitude and appreciation for the efforts both of you have put into the process. By focusing on the positive and nurturing a sense of optimism, you can cultivate a stronger emotional connection and a more resilient bond. Alright guys, that's it for today's video on how to get your ex-girlfriend back without looking desperate. Remember, the key is to focus on yourself, build confidence, and allow the relationship to evolve naturally. Chasing or forcing things will only push her further away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on relationships, self-improvement, and confidence building. Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these strategies and how they worked for you. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you want to dive deeper into understanding relationships or need more personalized advice, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident and take care of yourself. See you soon.